Hello, this is Tabasco. So I've been searching for good places to take photo over London, and accidentally I found that there is a place called Hayes in Harlington where Jennie filmed her solo MV, and also there is another place called Graffiti Tunnel. So I invited my coursemate to do a dance cover of Jennie's solo, and then here she is.
Hi, I'm Evangeline. I have a YouTube channel as well, and it's Ploopy678.
Check it out.
Yeah, but Tommy was nice enough to invite me to come and film the dance cover here, so I'm really excited to check it out because I can't believe he actually found it. So we're gonna go now. That's the signboard, isn't it?
Wow. So we arrived there. Can you see it?
That's the signboard.
Where can we go inside? Come on.
So where is it?
So guys, this is the thumbnail of Jennie's solo MV.
Oh really? Where's so where did she take that video?
It's inside. We have to figure out ways to go inside. I'm pretty sure there is somewhere that we can get in.
Oh, this is
it. This is it.
Oh, this is
Yay! It turns out to be a public space, I guess.
I was so scared that there would be a bunch of people doing dance covers here because they all discovered that it was in London.
So not sure if you guys recognize this place, but if you type Jennie solo MV, and then you will find this one is the thumbnail, where the thumbnail is. So do you guys remember there is a car over here, and also this background with the dog here, cute dog. So
we don't have a car obviously because we're broke.
Yeah.
But yeah, we'll just film the cover here.
Yeah, we'll just film the cover here and then
without the car.
Okay, let's start filming, alright. Have you started it? Okay.
Yeah?
Guess what time it is now? It's still 4:37.
That's London for you.
Now we are waiting for the train back to Paddington to take the Bakerloo line to Graffiti Tunnel, and then we are gonna film a second time.
I love that
We are already tired.
It's a tunnel whereby they filmed the music video as well.
哇，好大陣味。
Oh, look at poor Tommy. He's carrying a bag. He's taking a camera and he's carrying a MacBook all at once. And he starts to move back and forth to film me properly.
Seriously, I'm so cold.
What a good cameraman.
Thank you. So Ivan had just met someone who is covering and practicing solo as well here. So they're exchanging their YouTube channel. Yeah, we just wait for them to film. Yeah, so guys, we have just finished our filming. and then we met some awesome guys, and then check events channel if you want to know about their dances as well. So yeah, we are heading to the London Eye as the Graffiti Tunnel is very near to London Eye, and then there is a Christmas market nearby. We walk from there to here in like 3 minutes, I guess.
Yeah.
Yeah, so here is the London Eye. So if you want to take pictures in the Graffiti Tunnel is really convenient. Okay, so there is also a Christmas market in the front.
Yeah, there's a Christmas market. The bar culture in London is really, really strong. So a lot of people like to go to outdoor bars, especially during Christmas. Don't ask me why, because it's like freezing cold right now.
But yeah, we'll introduce it in later videos. We'll go to... Oh, it's a spoiler. So if you guys know about where the palace is, do tell me in the comment down below. And then here's the end to our behind the scenes / vlog. So if you guys like it, then subscribe and like my channel and also her channel.
Yeah, thank you.
And then check out her cover.
Yeah.
And then yeah, we'll see you guys soon with more videos. Bye bye.
Bye.